Anyway, Rodney has the big nose. Turned to
I was at the fun fair.
on number 48 and said,
Called someone else.
how did you get away with it? Whatever the, whatever the extra tax paid. And there was someone in the back that said, oh, it's the golden rule. What's the golden rule? He says, he who has the gold.
Yeah, it's his sister's husband.
His money was in Holland. No shame. No shame. Yeah, exactly.
You know, after the honeymoon, take off on the
Yeah, they're still there. No, I agree. It's still like a bucket.
behind him and stick you over his head.
But they're losing people. People are
It's not too bad. I thought it was going to be really loud. Probably isn't over there. it's amazing.
in the boroughs, and they give
I was thinking like a band, they should come on about 11 o'clock and it's really late because everyone's had a few drinks. Everyone's going to dance then.
trying to get me down
It's huge.
social workers. Some of them were trained social workers.
It's massive.
How can you,
Actually looks too long.
admittedly, when they went before the medical court, they were very sorry. I don't know.
It's a bit overweight.
Imagine if it weren't for what done in Britain, obviously,